name's Anne, and I'm the event producer of the energy management event, the fourth one in Berlin. And we are from Global BSG Event Conference production company that we do all the business solutions conference that help people to get and use their professional knowledge in a way that they can utilize it.
Today was a good chance for me and a good opportunity at all to meet all experts related to the energy market, which is today the capacity mechanism topic. It was quite impressive and intense discussion as well, to speak all these colleagues from Europe, which is not possible on a daily basis, in my case at least, where we work in the German office and won't meet all these experts in Europe so directly.
So I think it's been a really good opportunity to sort of meet with different TSOs and other participants from around the industry to really learn about, you know, the sort of issues that they are facing at the moment and how they're looking to resolve them. And that for me is, you know, getting that broader view of you know, the issues in the Baltics, in the Nordic region, and, you know, central continental Europe. That for me has been, you know, one of the big eye openers from the conference, and to see where there's, you know, there's sort of areas that we can work together and learn from others really.
For me, the key takeaway is that it has been demonstrated that capacity mechanisms are very complex. Europe is facing a lot of different mechanisms, but there are several common features, and we can learn a lot from each other there, and perhaps more than I initially thought.
I think it's relevant that you hear from all participants in the market, because if it was only from one side, you would probably also get the impression that well, for a supplier like us, what would we like it to be? Instead, we hear from all kinds of interests in the market, and we also see a slight movement towards people coming closer together.
I really appreciate all the presenters, because it's a very high quality of the presentation that was given by the presenters. It was from all over the Europe, and it's very interesting to see that each of them are fighting with similar challenges but in different way. So I'm looking forward that in the end to see the final results of all those activities.
I think I've met a lot of people from a lot of different fields, so transition system operators, energy suppliers, and yeah, consultants, all sorts of different people, and I think yeah, it's been good speaking to different people.
So that I like, that it's an audience of people who are fairly like-minded, facing common challenges, because there are great similarities in the challenges facing energy markets across Europe. Different perspectives, different national perspectives, and it's interesting seeing the more analytic approaches from some people and the slightly more political approaches from others. So that's been fascinating, and I think we've all learned a lot from each other.
Thanks a lot.
You're
I
welcome.
really appreciate that.
Thank you.